Hi, hi everyone. Welcome to the my channel Tech Dude. Today we are diving to the one of the hottest topic tech right now: how to make money with ChatGPT. Top 10 ways I will show you step by step. Hello friends. Now I will tell you this one. ChatGPT to translate purpose. I give one topic into translate in Telugu. I upload this translate topic Telugu chosen specify focus. This topic, you observe this how clearly translated this topic in Telugu. You observe cyber security. This one, you observe this how much clearly, perfectly translated this chat GPT. This work you can done is a freelancer type work. And you translate any language to any language. It's very easy. Upload the particular language and convert into which language is required. You can type that. I will type this topic. Translate this topic in Telugu. After that, copy this, which is the input. After that is coming output is which language is required. The particular language is coming. The another option I will tell. You can also creating resumes. You utilize the chat GPT. You can freelancer service also. You can start this one. The create resume in BSc networking student one page. I type the chat GPT design. How is the, you observe this. This is the tip of personals and reference, extracurricular activity, IT support experience, security assessment, project networking design, certifications, soft skills, technical skills, Bachelor of Science networking, which university or graduation, which year. The another method to earn chat GPT money, the writing depth on cyber security topic content. Writing, you observe this. I type this one. After that, upload the ChatGPT prepare this content writing. Prospect focus area research stay updates, structure content with key components and security frameworks. The cyber security different sectors are organized with classical structures. Make it engine and actionable from trend update regularly. Exploring zero trust architecture. This all are is given. You observe this. Exploring zero trust architecture, prompt and update regularly, make it engineering accountable, organize with clear structure, the structure the content with the key component, research and stay update, choose specific focus area. These all are given. The another, you can also content writing also. You can product description also. You can write product description. You can write. I will show you. I want to paste one monitor. I ask to write a description of this product. What is going on? You observe this. This product description also given. After that, another function I will show you. Write a present topic prediction of this next quarter in stock marketing. I ask this question: stock market prediction for next quarter, 3 months. The what prediction is given. You observe this. There are stock market after 3 months quarter prediction is also given. The so many ways this ChatGPT can use and you can earn money. Partial amount of your part-time job also can use this way. Please subscribe my Tech Dude channel. Please like my Tech Dude channel. Thanking you once again, your Tech Dude. The first talk about ChatGPT is an advanced AI chatbot from the open that can generate text, answer questions, brainstorming ideas, and much more, but does not have means. If you have times making money, it means endless possibilities. Your creativity, so without future have their best way to turn ChatGPT into your personal money making tool. The one of the most straightforward way to make money in ChatGPT by the offering content writing to copywriting services with the ChatGPT's help. You can produce the high quality articles, produce descriptions on the ads, copy or blogs post in a minute. Let us look at quick example. This is the one platform like a Upwork, those type of services are the demand. Even though you still need to edit the personalized content, ChatGPT can cut your time down significantly, allows you take a more project and more earning. The developing a power chatbot business, it is the one of the business. It is the another way to make money to ChatGPT, creating customer service chatbot business. Many small business want automatic customer services why they can offer high-end solutions. It is the comes with the customization. ChatGPT can be trained, answers questions, take a customer orders, even help leading generations. Online tutoring languages. It is the ChatGPT is the online tutorial, especially language learning. It is another great era. With this ChatGPT, can designing the language patterns, exercise, vocabulary list, and conversion start for students, especially popular with language learning, who need to regular practice but can offer one tutorial. Example, the host demonstrate ChatGPT generating participate sentence and translation to target language. The social media content creating of this ChatGPT, one of the source, the ChatGPT generating ideas in Instagram, captions, YouTube videos, titles, Twitter post, and the social media content. Another powerful use many brands need to social media managers, and the ChatGPT can help create content idea captions and set the even help brainstorm a viral. This is one of the another ways the earning to money to ChatGPT, the email writing. There are several ways to make money with ChatGPT. Instant, you can write emails based on the input given to it. Emails are most prominent digital marketing in the software industry and many more domains. For example, HR department in software companies may require to send emails candidates who are selected for their companies also emailing their most prominent method. Digital marketing, you can take help of ChatGPT, write emails, and you can deliver them at the various candidates and get paid. This can be easy to side income online. The email writing is Microsoft Bing AI ChatGPT for blogging and copyright. Thus, the blogging can be great freelance ideas that details with popular blogs or website to provide useful information regarding various topics. Written content in blogs are required a lot of time to effect research and write SEO, search engine optimize friendly errors free content. How if you looking money with ChatGPT, this could be gaming change. ChatGPT or reduce enter the burden, providing required content you are according to can publish those blogs your website and can gain money through the Bing ads, Google ads, and advertisement for the blogs. Online tutorialing solving problems. Translation services, this is the one of the another method of this earning charge GPT money method is the here world thousands of languages as translator service one such area that has great potential to earn money online. ChatGPT can translate various language with decent grammar based on the development that language. You can use ChatGPT translate various books, novels, documents, even social media posters. You can use the work do it is one of this is pay money to ChatGPT. The translation services is using the Microsoft Bing AI ChatGPT for creating PowerPoint presenters. These PowerPoint presents are widely used tools at schools, educational institutes, seminars, multinational companies. A good PPT can make short GPT with the input we are given. Thus, PPT can be sold the various organization persons based on content them how there are few steps you need to follow extra PPT and short GPT gives refill one of the text you have to install Python PPT prompt have to turn into the VBA code into PPT. You can refer to various YouTube videos how to create PPT using ChatGPT. The resume making, the one of the most powerful method is this one to earn charge. The resume making is a very important document required for job interviews. Creating resumes can difficult tasks people who are going to start their career, such as a case they have search online expert who can create the best resume that can place them there dream job. ChatGPT can be very helpful. Such access cases, search best templates, given job description, enter the details given by the customer. You can edit the resume in the best way possible. Resume creators change every decent amount in the creating a single resume. Write a product description. If you online any product sales, the first one is the most important to sell that product is the product description. E-commerce marketing has millions of products on sale. Each products need to display with the details description. Demand for content right, who can write product description very high. The website such a fair of reveal details about the recruiters who are looking for product description writer. The ChatGPT 4 can write good description with input you are providing and could become one of easy way to make money in ChatGPT. Write a product description, use Microsoft Bing AI ChatGPT. Content writing, this is another opportunity. The many companies turning to online creators their websites. This website required to content to increase search engine traffic. Examples as software as a services companies may be require details articles about the area which is provide services of finance companies require articles such as effect or recent high court judgments on stock marketing. In such a case, ChatGPT can be used give to detailed article from various sources. You can filter those articles sometimes. Content writing provide decent way depending on this. Content writing using Microsoft AI ChatGPT also. Faceless YouTube channels also is the one of the method to using ChatGPT to earn money. These faceless YouTube channels can be run successfully without script that given by ChatGPT. Such a type of channel runs on videos that shows on face, run only in voice over an image, and engage YouTube script by written by ChatGPT. The specified into outer content are based. The input provided such a text can be converted into video through other artificial intelligence tools such as BDIO can be edited for needed. You can gain large money through the YouTube channels by monetizing them, gaining ads from various social media. The social media is also one of the multinational companies operating the social media account to promote their brand voice, and companies need to make some managing their accounts, create content and marketing. The last one is the conclusion of this topic. The cost of living is increasing day by day. A passive income has become essential to make in meet. However, time and effect to the learn new skills may be affordable. In such a scenario, using ChatGPT is one of the best solution to today's earning world. Every through many domains are getting automated to require from the women touch necessary. Disputes have to know specified skills. Adding basic knowledge is the pinch of common sense can help you monotonous work again the